Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. I am here to show you what may be a beautiful remembrance gift for someone. This is a beautiful chime from Soopau. This beautiful gift arrives in a pretty black box with tissue paper as well as a card. The chime itself is made out of 6 aluminum rust-proof chimes that each are staggered so that you can get a beautiful sound out of them. On the front and back is a special message on the teardrop pendant that falls at the bottom. And you can just see that this is a beautiful remembrance gift that could be given to someone who's lost a loved one. I really like that the chimes are made of that nice aluminum, so you don't have to worry about it rusting or having an issue with water if you keep it outside. The tune that comes out of the chimes is also really, really pretty. It's a very elegant and light sound. So this beautiful chime gift could be something that you give to someone that really lets them know you're thinking of them. And if they've experienced a loss in their family, they may really, really enjoy receiving this as a really pleasant gift that will help them to be able to heal and bring comfort to them and their family. This chime is well made, and I would feel comfortable giving it to anyone if I needed to, and I'm sure that you would as well. And that's just my point of view.